Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the new super coupons going on from today, January 20th, to February 1st. So we just got done with a lot of big sales around the holidays. We just got done with the parking lot sale, so there were tons of good deals. So I'm not sure how many great or super coupons we're really going to see, but I'm going to share my thoughts with you on some of them. Some of these are just really bad deals, and I'll kind of point out some of them, but I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any suggestions or things to keep an eye on for in the future, please let me know down in the comments, but I really hope you guys enjoy. So starting in the top row, we do have some Predator products. We got $50 off the 5,000 watt, which is a new generator at $450, down from $500. It's not great savings, but I mean, we're seeing something, unless you find like a Predator specific one or during a parking lot sale like we just had. Typically, they'll have a couple really good deals on some of their generators, but outside of that, this isn't a horrible deal. We got $80 off the 4,375 watt and $50 off the 4,550 watt. Moving down, we got 12% off the standard auto darkening welding helmet at $35, down from $40. Not great savings there. Or on the portable tire inflator, 13% off, down to $13. We do have $50 off the 1200 watt power station from Predator, which these are pretty decent power stations, but I just suggest doing some research into other power stations. I have 3 or so different brands that I've ran, and while these are priced really well, they just don't have as many features as a lot of other brands out there. So it's always worth just doing some research and comparing it before making this purchase. Next up, we got the Predator 22 horsepower V-twin gas engine at $900, down from $950, so not great savings on that. We got the 6-gallon pancake job site air compressor at $140, down from $160, so not a whole lot of savings on there either. We do have some good savings on the Bauer 4.5-inch metal cutoff wheels, which is a pretty dang good deal, down from $8 to $5. This is a 10-pack. We got the Predator water pump down to $800 from $900. $100 off there. The Maddox side panel dent repair kit, 33-piece set. I'll tell you this, if you're going to drop about $200 to get this kit, it's no different than the ones you're going to find on Amazon, honestly. And if you try fixing your own dent and it doesn't turn out the way you expect, I'm going to stop there. If this is something you're going to get into, do it at your own risk. $190, $10 off $200. Not a great deal on there either. $10 off the utility cart, also not a great deal. $40 off the drain cleaning drum machine from Bauer, down to $260. We do have $120 off the motorcycle lift, down to $450. It's not a terrible deal. $100 for the 1,500 watt steam cleaner, which isn't terrible either. Pretty reasonably priced when you compare it to some other, weekend warrior DIY steam cleaners. 19% off of the 600-pound capacity hand truck at $55, down from $68. The 23-foot automatic feed electric drain cleaner at $90, down from $100, so not great savings on there either. A lot of these you're better off using the, common 15% discount. Every once in a while we'll get the 20%. You're definitely better off on a lot of these items with those. Cable ties or zip ties at $179, down from $250, 28% savings there. Good savings. Pretty common to find those at a cheap price. 800-pound hand truck at $100, down from $130, so not bad savings on that. We got the Badland 3,500-pound winch at $130, down from $140. Another one that's not great savings. $15 off the 100-foot extension cord, down to $125. Not great savings on there either. We do have $40 off the concrete pole saw at $240, down from $280. Not a horrible deal, not great. 30% off the 150 lumen wall mount solar security lights, down to $9 from $13. We got $30 off the Fortress 2-gallon, which is a great air compressor. I want to say this is roughly what I picked mine up for. It's not the best deal you're going to find, but it is a good deal. And these ultra quiet air compressors are quite surprising. I knew it was going to be quieter than your standard air compressor, but I was pretty shocked when I used mine for the very first time. We got the 750-pound capacity cargo carrier at $90, down from $120, $30 worth of savings on there. That's not a bad deal. $30 savings on the 200-watt solar panel from Predator, so down to $200 from $230. We got 20% savings on the Storehouse 20-bin parts organizer at $8, down from $10. We have the 30,000 to 60,000 BTU propane portable heater at $88, down from $100. So not a whole lot of savings on there, but it is a good heater. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Moving blanket down 35% to $13. The Vulcan auto darkening welding helmet down to $130 from $140. Not great savings on there either. Some decent savings on the Icon Creeper, down to $75 from $90. We got another Fortress air compressor. This is the 5-gallon at $310, down from $350. So a decent amount of savings, $40. You're a little bit better off with the 15% discount on there. Then we got the Bauer 15 amp 7-inch trigger grip angle grinder, also only 11% off, down to $80 from $90. 27% off the Hercules bandsaw blades 2-pack at $13. You got 20% off the Pittsburgh long handle combination wrench set, 11-piece set, $20, down from $25. The Predator auger down to $80 from $95, so some decent savings on there. $70 worth of savings on the 6-foot by 8-foot greenhouse, $300, down from $370. The Daytona jack. This is the 1.5 ton ultra low profile aluminum racing jack at $280, down from $300. So not great savings on there. We did just have pretty decent sales on their jacks during the parking lot sale, so I was kind of expecting this to not be a great deal. Double-ended flare nut wrench set from Pittsburgh, $12, down from $17, so 29% savings on there. You have the Bauer laser level at $80, down from $100, so some pretty good savings on that. 18% off the 40 lumen spotlight, down to $7.29 from $9. We have the Icon bearing and seal driver set. It's a 16-piece set, down to $100 from $135. I wouldn't pay full price for this anyways, or really anything at Harbor Freight when you can constantly get discounts. But this does have a nicer, more comfortable striking handle than a lot of other sets, but I would say $100 is, really pushing it for a bearing and seal driver set. You don't need to spend a whole lot on these, but this is a good set, and it's good savings off this set. The Warrior 3-inch screwdriver bit set, it's a 36-piece set, down 38% to $8. That's a good little deal. Weather resistant tarp, $80, down from $90. Not a great deal on there. Butt connector assortment set, 30 pieces, down to $7.39, 26% savings on there. I always keep an assortment of accessories like this on hand. The portable work stand, down to $22 from $27. Some pretty decent savings on there. Soldering gun, down to $20 from $28. That's pretty good savings. The 6-inch swivel vise is at $60, down from $80. 25% savings on there. That's a pretty good deal. The Chicago Electric 1.3 amp rotary tool with accessories. The accessories, not great. The tool itself will probably hold up quite a while, especially for weekend warriors, DIYers. This is down to $15. 34% savings on there. That's a pretty good deal. The Maddox locking lug nut master key set, 16-piece set, $20 off, down to $80. We did just have the Maddox discount going on, so it's not as good of a deal, but it's still a good deal. Especially if you work in the automotive field, having a set like this on hand can be handy as well. The Thunderbolt high capacity, AAA and AA 4-packs, down to $8 from $9, so not great savings on those. The Bauer 9 amp D-handle drill, down to $45 from $60. That's a good deal. Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless chainsaw. This is the tool only, no battery included. The batteries for these Atlas are pretty expensive, but still cheaper than some of the bigger name brand ones out there. This is down to $135, down from $150, so it's okay savings, not great. The grinder brush kit from Warrior, very dangerous, 23% off there, down to $10. The Hercules tool bag, this is the 18-inch with 28 pockets, down to $20 from $25, so some good savings on that. Some good savings on the Meguiar 32-ounce mirror glaze polish, $30 down from $38. The 10 amp demolition hammer, $230 down from $270 from Hercules. Some okay savings on that. You got some good savings on the Chicago Electric fixed shade welding helmet, down to $20 from $30. Another Maddox product that isn't a great deal, that you could have gotten a better deal on just last week. The Warrior 3.2 amp variable speed drill. Honestly, I don't suggest any of Warrior's power tools. If you're going to buy cheap, just, step it up and get something that is going to be reliable, Even if you're not one that uses power tools all the time, it's worth having something a little bit better than this stuff. But it is on sale, 16% off for $15. The Atlas 80-volt concrete cutoff saw with the 4-amp-hour battery and rapid charger all in a bundle for $430. Not great savings on this, but when you compare this to other sets, it is a good price, but it's just not a good coupon. But it's better than nothing. But you are better off with the 15%, obviously. Then you have the Atlas 40-volt and 80-volt dual voltage rapid charger at $70, down from $80. So once again, not a great discount on there. The U.S. General magnetic socket rail, this is with the twist lock at $18, down from $22. So some good savings on that. Dryer filter down from $70 to $60, 14% savings. The Pittsburgh 48-inch box frame level down to $12 from $15, so 20% savings on there. If you just need a cheap hole saw kit, we have a Warrior 1-inch to 2.5-inch 10-piece set down to $10 from $12, 16% off. Plate joiner down to $45 from $55 from Chicago Electric, 18% savings. We got a pretty good deal here from Hercules on their reciprocating saw blade set. This is a 12-piece set down 25% to $15. I think that's a good deal. 20% savings on the Central Pneumatic manual steel air hose reel, down to $20 from $25. 11-gallon portable air tank down to $50 from $70. Some good savings on there. Another box frame level from Pittsburgh, down 18%. Multi-purpose magnetic V-pad kit, 4-piece set, down to $13, 18% savings. Another laser level down to $55 from $65, 15% savings. The Quinn 21-inch heavy-duty carbide tile cutter down to $30 from $40, 25% off. That's not a bad deal. You got the 2.4 amp orbital sander from Hercules down to $40 from $45, so not great savings on there. $25 worth of savings on the RoadShock LED light bar. The Doyle 4-inch low-profile vise down to $54 from $60. Not a great deal on there. $20 off the Hercules belt grinder. Not a great deal on that either. 3-inch cutoff wheels. This is a 5-pack from Chief, down to $4 from $6, so some good savings on there. 20% off the ball peen hammer set, 5-piece set, $20. That's not a bad deal. 1/2-inch drive 32mm deep impact socket. That's a random one to throw it on as a super coupon, but it is $5 down from $6, 16% savings. The Doyle 7-inch carpenter's vise, $55 down from $65. Some decent savings on there. Off-road light mount, $6, 20% savings. Hercules 7.5-inch auger bit set, 3-piece set, $23, 23% savings. Then we have the 400-pound miter saw stand at $100 from $120, so some decent savings on there. Some really good savings on the Pittsburgh compression tester kit. This is an 8-piece set at $20 down from $35, 42% savings. There's a good deal. 2,000-pound low-profile trans jack down to $280 from $380. That's a good deal. I do like that. The Icon diagnostic smoke machine down to $530 from $570, so not a great deal on there. I mean, it's better than full price, but there aren't going to be, this is going to be for those that either have their own shop, do a lot of work, or are in the professional field, because there's not very many DIYers and weekend warriors going out to buy this at $530. But that is it as far as the super coupons in January. I feel like a lot of these are a joke. A lot of these are really bad deals. I mean, I get that we just came off the holidays. We just got done with the parking lot sale, which we did see a lot of pretty good deals on those sales. But here I could probably say 5 to 10 out of whatever there are here, 50 or more coupons. There's maybe 5 to 10 pretty good coupons. But let me know your guys' thoughts. Did you guys see any that you guys would be willing to pick up with these coupons, or were they all kind of lousy? Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys next time.